Hey, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. We just recently upgraded our phone. We went to the Galaxy S21. It's quite a phone. There's a lot of little hidden things in here that really come in handy. I'll show you how to do some of them. Some of them that I really like. We'll get into it and show you how to set them up. Okay, here's a few of the things we found. Watch here, you can open the window by just double tapping it. Show you how to do that. Go up here and scan down. Right there is your settings button. Right there. Now we need to go down here to advanced features. In there. And motions and gestures. Right up here it says double tap to open screen. Turn that on. And double tap it. There it is. There's also a way to double tap it to close the screen. That way you don't have to worry about your time running out and waiting on it to shut off. So come up here, hit the screen, settings, advanced features, motions and gestures. Go up here to double tap to turn off screen. Turn that on right there. Now when you go double tap the screen, it shuts it off. See there? Double tap turns it on. There's also a way that you can set it so that when you lift the phone up, it'll turn it on for you. Show you how to do that. Right here, in your settings button. Let me get those out of the way. Okay. Advanced features, motions and gestures, and let's see, right here, lift to wake. Turn that on. Turn it off. Set the phone down. Now when I pick it up, it comes on. See there? Alright, see how that goes? Now, there's another thing here on the side. The button right here, you can double set that so you double tap it and it'll turn your camera on. So let's see. Here, settings button and advanced features, side key, quick launch camera right there. Turn that on. Now when you double click this, turns on your camera. Turn that off. Now turn that on. I still have to scan up. Show you how to turn that off. Right here. Go into your settings mode again. Settings. Go up here to lock screen. See where it says screen type swipe? Click on that. Down here and click none. Turn it off. Close the screen. Open the screen. There it is. Now that leaves you without too much security on there, so if you lose your phone or something, people can get into it. Let me show you another way. Add a little security to it. Let's go. There we go. Alright, where are we? Lock screen. Screen type. You got patterns, swipe, PIN number, you can put a password. Let's do this pattern, okay? So I'm just going to set up a little pattern. Okay, Z, Z, Z. There you go. Continue. It says do it again. Make sure you do it twice the same here. There we go. Confirm. Okay. We're not going to save it. We'll just save it on the phone. So say done. Now, when I double tap to turn the phone off, I double tap to turn it on, I got to do my Z. Okay, that opens it up. There's just some security. Alright. There's also a sidebar right here. Little things in there that you play or do most of the time. You can just quickly set them up there. If you want to set something on it, hit that little pencil right there. Now, see where it says minus sign? That'll turn something off. But if I want to put something on it, just like that, and there it is. Now then, when I come up here, there's that item I just added. So, you see how that works now. Now, there's one other thing I'd like to show you. It's save your screen. You want to do a screen save, capture? I have trouble remembering what buttons to do that with. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to come up here, and I'm going to go to Settings, go down here to Advanced Features, and Motions and Gestures. Down here it says Palm Swipe to Capture. Turn that on. Now, if you get up here, see there? Captured it. I can go back into my thing, and there's my screen capture. Alright, so that's some of the things that we like to do. There's others up here that this phone has, and I'll make some more videos and show you some of those, but these are the ones that I really like. Hey, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe so you won't miss any of our videos. And please help support this channel if you can. There's links in the description below. And we'll see you next time.